chose sweet potato vines, and you know, there's different kinds of sweet potato vines. There are some more dwarf varieties, but we chose this large, sprawling one. But you know, you have to keep it contained. It's kind of gotten out of control. So we're just going to help it a little bit. And some wayward vines, we're going to make sure they grow underneath our other annuals. And the ones that are coming out of the bed, we are going to trim back a little bit. When you're cutting here, you see that there's a point of growth. So that's what you're cutting, just about 1/4 of an inch. And when we cut it here, that bud right there will break and come back out and continue to vine. So we will cut a few more here that are wayward. So again, the two ways we are keeping the sweet potato vine in check here is by either trimming them back or making them, direct them in the right way we want them to grow in the bed. This is nice for now, and since they'll keep growing, we may have to visit this again in a few weeks and trim them again.